In the vast grasslands, a leopard silently stalks its prey, eyes locked on a grazing gazelle. The leopard crouches low, muscles tensed, ready to spring into action. With a burst of speed, the leopard charges, cutting through the tall grass with ease. The gazelle senses danger, its instincts kicking in as it darts away. Just as the leopard closes in, a vehicle emerges on the horizon, interrupting the chase. The leopard abruptly halts, watching as the animal control truck approaches. Realizing the pursuit is over, the leopard turns and retreats into the safety of the grasslands. The vehicle continues on, unaware of the intense drama it has just interrupted. As the dust settles, the gazelle regroups with the herd, spared from the predator's grasp. The leopard, hidden in the shadows, waits for another chance, ever patient and ever watchful.